Hi, to clear app cache and data on your OnePlus Nord 3, we would need to open settings first and here scroll to see this apps tab. After that, we would need to go in the app management and here select an app for which we want to clear cache or delete data. Let it be Google Chrome, for example. So now we just need to select the storage usage and we'll see these two options, clear data and clear cache. If you choose clear data, it will delete all of the data for this app, so it's just like a factory reset. If you select clear cache, it will just free up some space, but the data remains still. So just select an option, and now the cache has been cleared. Let's do it one more time for another app, for example, for the games. Here storage usage and we can see how many kilobytes of cache we have, so let's clear it up. And it's gone. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.